Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This one right here, this beautiful lady right here, I think you are seeing that. This gorgeous lady right here, uh, a few days ago, she posted a picture which terrified all of us. And today, here is what she wrote. Okay, so let's look at it. She said, one thing for sure is in this industry, when you are negative and inappropriate, you get to trend, and that is not a good thing for our music. We need to be recognized for the right reason. I once again would like to apologize for the indecency I portrayed earlier in the week. Please forgive my manners. I'm sorry. And again here she said, later today I will be dropping the trailer for Jerubu Anna, the complete visual drop next week. Let's cry. Good morning. That's what she said. You know, according to what she said here, that is true. Her photo, the image that she posted a couple of days ago, was terrifying, like I said. You know, many people were not expecting that. And again, you see, she apologized again. And I want to tell you guys, let's be honest, right? When somebody did something wrong, knowing that that is wrong, okay, it means that somebody is going to make a mistake again. And that will be so terrifying, you know. When you apologize, you don't have to repeat the same mistake. That's what I'm saying. You know, in music industry, we're supposed to be to listen and care for other opinion. Okay, when it is something which is not decency, something which is bad for your reputation and for others, especially your family. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have to do what annoy others. So it means that you should listen. That is what music is all about. And again, she also posts that if you want to be my advisor, or first support me, be my manager, and then maybe I will hear the side story of you, or you advising me to do what is best. So if you are not my fan, or you are not my manager, so shut up. That's what she wrote, because I've been following her. Junna Star, she's amazing musician. She's a legend, and now we can see that she apologized for that. She apologized for the mistake that she did. She admitted that she made a mistake. But what I'm telling you right now, please do not make any another mistake again, because I know that, and I learned me. Okay, when somebody did something bad, and knowing that that is wrong, you will say that I'm sorry. And when you say sorry, it means that you're going to repeat the same mistake again. And I do not want you to go through those. Okay, so when you made a mistake once, simply realize that this is a mistake and you will not repeat it. That's it, full stop. Otherwise, your music is great, and we are waiting to enjoy your latest video. And I believe this Jerebu Anna is the video that you took the picture with, right? So what do you expect us to watch in that video? Is it the same picture that you posted this 2 days ago, or it is another visual things? So if that is what you posted earlier, so I think, I'm sorry, it will not be good for underage. So it will be for those who are 18 and above. So like myself, I can't watch the video. But for my kid and everyone, no, that is no, no, no. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Macheng. If you are new to my channel, please smash the subscribe button, like, comment, do whatever you want, and support your lady right here. Junna the Star, she's amazing, she's doing great. Though she made a mistake, that is okay. She apologized for that, and so leave it behind. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.